Hi Aces, welcome back to our Vegas Aces YouTube channel. My name is Angela Marie, and it's time to switch gears as Heather Ferris will explain how to increase your tips through exceptional service delivery. Your body language and subtle cues speak volumes, often persuading players before a single word is spoken. In this video, you'll discover how to harness persuasive skills to create a welcoming atmosphere, encourage player engagement, and boost your tokes, all while maintaining professionalism and respecting their choices. But before we get started, I just want to remind you to like, subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell, so that way you'll always be notified of our latest videos and live streams. Now, on with the show.
Your body language and facial expressions persuade people whether you know it or not. And this brings us to step number 11, persuasion skills. I know that sounds more like marketing and pushing products, and it does have a little bit to do with that. But persuasion skills also means realizing that our body language can either be inviting to the guest or push them away. A great example of this is when you're standing on a dead game. You'll want to display body language that will persuade the player to come over and join you. You can accomplish this if you place your hands on the table with your arms extended out and to the side. This opens up your body and makes you more inviting to the guest. Always face your table and never turn to the side to crossfire with another dealer or turn your back on the bank. When standing on a dead game, you'll want to observe the 10-5-10 rule. If the player is walking towards the table and they're 10 feet away, then make eye contact with them. Making eye contact with players is an essential part of getting them to sit down at your table. As you make eye contact, the goal is to have the guests make eye contact with you as well. You want that initial connection because this makes it more likely for the player to come sit down at your table. If the player is 5 feet away, then acknowledge them with either a nod or a greeting. Remember, if you're standing on a dead table with no players, then there is no one there to tip you, and this is no way to make money. You're only hurting yourself and your fellow coworkers when you stand on a dead game looking grumpy, avoiding eye contact, ignoring the guests as they walk by, or basically just running off the money. You want to be approachable. If someone has a question, then they should feel comfortable enough to walk up to your table and ask. Be as welcoming and inviting as possible. Dealers should try to remove as much of the natural intimidation as they can. How? By what we just talked about. By keeping your arms at your side and your hands on the table as you smile and make eye contact with the guest as they walk by. Just continue doing this and players will walk up to your table in no time. As we said, your facial expression and body language can also persuade players to come to your table or quickly cross the room, just to get away from that contorted grimace that you have on your face. Remember, don't fold your arms, scowl, make faces at the guest, be intimidating, indifferent, not looking at anyone at all, acting disinterested, answering questions begrudgingly, or doing anything else that would purposely run the players off. This next part is where the marketing comes in. When you're on craps, try and persuade players to bet on the hard ways. If you're on a different casino table game, repeatedly ask if they want to play the side bet. Now, this does one of two things. If the player is betting on the hard ways or the side bet, then they're probably going to need dollars. If the dealer gives the player a steady supply of dollar chips, then the player will be more likely to use those chips to tip the dealer. And the second thing is, when the player is betting the side bets, they're more likely to tip the dealer on that bet as well. When the player gives the dealer a toke, use this as an opportunity to turn everyone's attention to you and the fact that you're getting tipped. Say, "Thank you, sir, for the tip. I really appreciate it." And then tap the check on the bank a few times before dropping it into your toke box. When the dealer acknowledges the player when they've been tipped, then this alerts the other players that tipping is possible and appreciated. This is a great way to get more tokes without hustling. Don't go overboard trying to persuade the players to tip you. Whatever decision the player makes, they need to make it on their own. All monetary decisions must be made without any interference from the dealer. The dealer must never play the player's hand for them, and they should never tell the player how to spend their money. Don't hustle your tokes.
That does it for today's show. If you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe. Do you want to see our content 5 days early? Subscribe to us on Patreon, where we give our patrons exclusive early access and coach new dealers on how to get into the industry. The folks on the screen right now are our Patreon producers. Every single name is a person in the world who supports this channel, so we can keep going. And we're so grateful to them that they've allowed us to go on this really remarkable journey. Thanks everybody for being a part of this. Also, our business helps casino game inventors with developing their game, bringing their idea to fruition and onto the casino floor. If you have a casino game you want to develop, email us. You can find a link to our email in the description below. Just a quick reminder, Vegas Aces is supported by viewers like you. Click that hype button to help us get our content out there and grow as a channel. The hype button is only available in some countries, so if you don't see it, it might not be available in your area. Or you can donate. Donations make it possible for all of these videos to be brought to you for free. If you think this video is worth more than $0, then please donate the amount you feel it is worth by clicking the link in the description below. If you can't afford to financially support us, then help us update our World Toke board. This shows the toke numbers for casino dealers around the world. But we can't update these numbers if people don't contribute. You can anonymously send us your toke numbers via our toke line or by emailing heather@vegas-aces.com. Thank you for watching. Please join us for our next video. We have a new video every Thursday. And if you're looking for even more content, check out the other videos here on the screen. We also offer interview transcripts, flashcards, dealer instruction manuals, the world's first toke board, and so much more, all on our website, vegas-aces.com. You can find all of these links in the description below. Until next time, stay lucky, Aces.